Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to reset the oil light on a Fiat 500L. This is a simple process you can do yourself after an oil change. First, make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. Then, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. You should see the oil change message or light illuminated on your dashboard, indicating it's time for a reset. Now for the main step. With the ignition on and the engine off, slowly and fully depress the accelerator pedal all the way down. You need to do this 3 times, making sure each press and release is completed within a total of 10 seconds. Be deliberate with each press, allowing the pedal to return to its resting position before the next depression. Once you have completed the 3 accelerator pedal presses, immediately turn the ignition switch to the OFF or lock position. This crucial step finalizes the reset process within your vehicle's computer system. Allow a few moments, perhaps 5 to 10 seconds, for the car's electronics to register the change before moving on to verify the reset. Finally, start your engine as you normally would. The oil change light or message should now be extinguished. If it remains on, simply repeat the entire procedure from the beginning, paying close attention to the timing and full pedal depressions. Remember, performing regular oil changes is essential for your Fiat 500L's engine longevity and performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.